Good morning, students. Let's start with the skeletal system. The system that is made up of bones and cartilages is called a skeletal system. Some organisms have got a skeleton outside the body, which is called as exoskeleton. Like snail, crab, cockroaches, their skeleton is outside the body. Like for example, human skeleton. Human skeleton is inside the body. Okay, so the skeleton which is found inside the body are called as endoskeleton, and the skeleton which is found outside the body, they are called as exoskeleton. Now there are many functions of this skeletal system. What is it? The first function of the skeletal system is that it provides a definite shape to the body. It is because of the skeletal system that there is a shape. Then it protects various delicate and very important organs of the body. Like here inside the rib cage, you have got the heart, lungs, okay, then you have got the brain inside the skull. So it protects delicate and vital organs. Then bones serve as storage area for minerals like calcium, phosphorus, it all are stored in the bones. Then this skeletal system along with the muscles in the body help in the movement and locomotion. And some bones of the skeletal system contains bone marrow, which produces the blood cells. Bone marrow is found inside the bone. So now in the human body, the skeletal system extends from the top of the head to the tip of the toe, till here, till the tip. And how many bones are there? There are 206 bones during the birth. 206 bones, but during the birth, that is when a baby is born, it has got 300 bones. But these bones slowly as the baby grows bigger, it get fused. Fused means आपस में एक दूसरे के साथ मिल जाना. And then in an adult there are 206 bones present. Okay, these bones they consist of calcium and phosphorus along with some proteins also. Now in every the bones are present in almost every part of the body. All parts of the body contains the bones. So on the basis of the shape and function, they are categorized. Okay, the first portion is the skull. As you can see here in the figure, the first part is the skull. Okay, the skull is the bony framework of the head. It has 22 bones which are fused together. Total how many bones are there? There are 22 bones. Out of these 22 bones, 8 bones are present in the brain box. This brain box, okay, and the 8 bones. The one which protects the brain. Then the 14 bones forms the shape of the face. In the face there are 14 bones, and the only movable bone is the lower jaw. This lower jaw is the movable, contains the movable bone and is also called as mandible. Mandible means that is movable. So we use this lower jaw for talking, eating, yawning, etc. Clear, children? So I hope this much is clear. The rest will continue in the next chapter.